Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B prospecting, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the LinkedIn Campaign Manager website. Use your preferred web browser and enter LinkedIn Campaign Manager in the search bar. Click on the official LinkedIn Campaign Manager link from the search results. You will need to sign in to your LinkedIn account. If you do not have an account, click on the Join Now button and follow the prompts to create a new account. Once you are logged in, look for the Create Campaign button. If you do not see the button, you may first need to set up a LinkedIn Ads account. Click on Create Account and complete the required fields, including your company name and billing information. After creating your account, return to the Campaign Manager dashboard. Select the Create Campaign option to begin the setup process. Choose your campaign objective, such as brand awareness, lead generation, or website visits. Next, you will need to define your target audience. You can specify location, company size, industry, job title, and more to tailor your audience for B2B prospecting. Set your budget and bid strategy for the campaign. Decide on a daily budget or a total budget for the duration of your campaign. Next, you'll need to select your ad format. LinkedIn offers various formats, such as sponsored content, text ads, and message ads. Once you have chosen your format, upload your ad creative, including images, videos, or text. Craft compelling ad copy that clearly articulates your message and aligns with your campaign objective. After reviewing your ad content, click on the Next button. You will then be directed to the Review tab, where you can double-check your settings and creative. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button to go live. Congratulations, your LinkedIn Campaign Manager account is now set up for B2B prospecting. Monitor your campaign's performance through metrics provided in the Campaign Manager dashboard. Make necessary adjustments based on the analytics to optimize your results over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.